Good morning, children. How are you?
Fine.
Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your EVS course book volume 2. All of you open your EVS course book volume 2. Amma. What is our lesson? What's our lesson name? Our lesson name is travel and safety. Okay? Yesterday, in the previous class, we learned about why the accidents are occurring. What are the safety rules we follow? Actually, what is the reason for the accident? We have seen lot of accidents. A lot of people were dying in different accidents. It's a tragedy situation, very sad situation. Why these happen? Who is the reason for this? Who is the responsible for the accidents? Different reasons are there. One of the accident is occurred is in one of the place. Means it is having different reasons. Different accidents are occurring in different reasons. Let's know what are the reasons. Observe the given diagram. This gives a representation of the different causes of road accidents. Can you identify the major cause for road accidents for this representation? Learning and adopting safe travel practices from an early age is very important. It plays a vital role in shaping an attitude and behavior of children and young people in becoming responsible drivers, passengers, pedestrians and cyclists in the future. Have you seen this flow chart? Here is one of the diagram is given. Here is one of the diagram is given. This diagram is showing how many accidents. What is the reason for the occurring of accidents? This is showing the who is the reason, who is the responsible for the accident occurring. Here 4.2 percentage, 5.1 percentage and 5.3 percentage and 85.4 percentage. .2 percentage is weather conditions. Weather conditions. Here 5.1 is the reason in fracture conditions. In fracture conditions. And 5.3 is the reason technical failures. Technical failure. 85.4 is the reason human factors. Accidents. Road accident. What is the reason? What is the reason for the road accidents? Here, what is the reason for the road accidents? The reason for the road accident is 4.2% is the reason of weather conditions. Sometimes some 4.2 percentage of accidents may occur because of the weather conditions. If the weather is foggy, if the weather is cloudy, if it is rain, at that time the drivers unable to see the road properly. That's what the accident may occur. 4.2% is the reason for the weather conditions. Weather conditions also reason for the occurring of accidents. But it is a less percentage, 4.2 percentage. And one more, infrastructural conditions. Here, this is the reason for the the roads are not proper. This is also reason. This is also one of the reason. The roads are not in the good condition. If the roads are not in the good conditions, the accidents may occur. This is also one of the reason. Technical failures. We can see some of the pit holes, manholes. We have seen the manholes, no? That is also one of the reason for the accidents occurring. And 85.4% is a huge percent of accidents is the reason for the human factors. Humans are the reason. Humans are the reason for occurring of road accidents lot. Humans are the most important persons in occurring the road accidents. Not following the safety rules, not using the seat belts. We are riding high speed and drink and drive. And while driving, we are talking in the mobile phone. These are the reasons for the occurring of road accidents. Who is the reason for that? Only humans. High speed. Who is driving high speed? Humans. Okay? Because of the humans only 85.4 accidents are occurring. Mana India 100% lo road accidents avute and 85 accidents are occurring due to the human mistake. Due to the human mistake. Okay? To avoid the accidents. To avoid the accident, what we have to do? From your childhood, the children has to know about the safety rules and you have to follow the safety rules. The children have to learn. The children have to learn the safety rules and you have to follow the safety rules. Okay? If you do like that, in the future, the accidents level is decreased. Okay? Everybody must and should has to know the safety rules and we have to follow. Not only the children but also youngers. The youngers, drivers, those who are using the vehicles have to know the safety rules and have to follow the safety rules. Then the occurring accidents may decrease. To avoid the accidents, we should follow the safety rule. That is the vital rule. All are children, youngsters, and drivers, cleaners, everybody. Those who are using the vehicles all have to know the safety rules and they have to follow. Then only we can avoid the accidents. Look at the following pictures and try to relate them to 4 factors given below. See Nana. Here he is talking in the mobile phone while driving. Who is the reason for this? Human. Then the accident may occur. This is also one of the reason for occurring of accident. While we are driving, we should not talk in the phone. Okay? That is also one of the reason to get the accident, to take the accident. And in the second picture, a lot of people is traveling in one vehicle. This is also one of the reason. Amma, a lot of people are traveling. It is hard to the driver to control the jeep. ఆ జీప్ కెపాసిటీ కంటే ఎక్కువ మంది ఆ జీప్లో ఉన్నారనుకుంటారా, ఆ డ్రైవర్కి ఆ డ్రైవ్ చేయడం చాలా కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది. దట్స్ వాట్ ద యాక్సిడెంట్స్ మే అక్కర్. అండ్ సీ ద మ్యాన్ హోల్స్, పిట్ హోల్స్. దిస్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద రీజన్ టు గెట్ ద యాక్సిడెంట్. అండ్ హై స్పీడ్ 180 స్పీడ్. The vehicle is high speed, also one of the reason to take accident. This vehicle is going 180 speed, so it is also reason. Next, some of the cattle are coming on the roads. The cattle also coming on the roads. This is also one of the reason to get accidents. And drink and drive. This is also reason. Next, on a bike, how many are going? 5 members are going. The capacity of bike is only 2 members. The capacity of a bike is only 2, but 5 members are going. So, who is driving the bike, he is unable to control the bike speed. So, then the accident may occur. Here, weather conditions. It is foggy. It's foggy outside now. It is also one of the reason to take accident. Here, it is also road. We don't have the proper roads. This is also reason. Here also, we have the puddles. The roads are damaged. We have seen the damaged roads. This is also one of the reason. And the children. While the children are crossing the road, they are not using the zebra crossing. While we are crossing the road, we should cross at the zebra crossing. But where is the crossing? So this is also reason. So that's what the children all have to know the safety rules to avoid the accident. Okay? Next, see Nana, how they are going? They are climbing the bus. By catching the bus, they are going. This is also one of the reason to take the accident. If suddenly they fell down, means they may die. So these are the reasons to take the accident. So you must avoid this. You should follow the safety rules, and you must tell to your elders not to do this. Then we may avoid the accidents. The factors responsible for road accidents are driving or riders, overspeeding, reckless driving, violation of rules, failure to understand signs, distracted driving, drunk driving, and ignoring safety rules precautions. This drivers. What is the driver's responsibility? The drivers also reason to take the accident, to get the accident, because the drivers may drive his vehicle with a high speed. Overspeeding is one of the reason. And Violation of rules means they want to overtake another vehicle. Those who is driving the vehicle in one of the car, ఒక కార్లో డ్రైవ్ చేసిన అతను ఏమనుకుంటాడు, he wants to overtake another vehicle. So that's overtake, he wants to overtake. This is also one of the reason to take an accident. And not seeing the signboards. We have the signboards, traffic signals are there. You know traffic signals, red, green and yellow. Red color light is saying that stop. Green color light is saying that to go, and yellow color is saying that be ready. Okay. So this is also reason to get the accidents. And drunk driving, distracted driving, drunk driving and ignoring the safety precautions. Okay, these are all the reasons to take an accidents. Next, pedestrians, carelessness. While we are crossing on the road, or while we are walking on the road, we are walking carelessly. We are crossing the road carelessly. What would happen? We may feel like that. That is a carelessness. Carelessness is also one of the reasons to get accidents. And illiteracy. Illiteracy means they don't know the safety rules. Some old people don't know the safety rules. They don't know how to walk. At the left side of the road we have to walk. We know that. Some people don't know that. And we have to cross the road at the zebra crossing. We know that. But some people don't know because of the illiteracy. That is also reason to get accidents. And crossing at wrong places. Crossing at the wrong places. ఎక్కడ పడితే అక్కడ మనం క్రాస్ చేయొద్దు. You should cross at the zebra crossing only. Some people cross as a like. ఎక్కడ పడితే అక్కడ నుండి క్రాస్ చేస్తుంటారు. That is also one of the reasons. And unable to understand road rules. Some people don't know the road rules, safety rules. So this is also one of the reasons to get accidents. Next, passengers hanging onto the vehicles. What is the mistake of passengers? The passengers may hang to the vehicles while traveling. While the bus is moving, they catch the bus, and by catching the bus only they move with the bus. We have seen a lot of people like that. మీరు చాలా మందిని ఇలా చూస్తుంటారు, బస్సుకి క్రాస్ చేసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోవడము, లేదంటే ట్రైన్ క్రాస్ చేసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోవడం చూస్తుంటాం కదా. అంటే ఎక్కువ మంది ఎక్కడము, లేదంటే బస్సుని బయట పట్టుకొని అంటే హ్యాంగింగ్ పట్టుకొని వెళ్ళిపోవడం, అది కూడా ప్రాబ్లమే. దానివల్ల కూడా యాక్సిడెంట్ చాలా అవుతాయి. నెక్స్ట్, టాకింగ్ టు డ్రైవర్స్. సమ్ పీపుల్ దే యూస్ టు టాక్ టు ది డ్రైవర్స్. డ్రైవర్ పక్క సీట్లో కూర్చొని ఎప్పుడు వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటారు. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో రీజన్, బికాస్ ద డ్రైవర్ ఇస్ టాకింగ్ విత్ ద పర్సన్. డ్రైవర్ పర్సన్తో మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు కాబట్టి he is unable to see, is unable to control the bus at the sudden, when the sudden vehicle comes behind in front of that. If the suddenly a vehicle came, సడన్గా ఏదైనా వెహికల్ వచ్చిందనుకోరా, దాన్ని అంటే లోడ్ అయిన వెహికల్ వచ్చినప్పుడు దాన్ని కంట్రోల్ చేయకపోగా అలా కూడా యాక్సిడెంట్ జరగచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్, alighting and boarding the vehicles from wrong side. Boarding the vehicles wrong sideలలో బోర్డ్ సైన్ బోర్డ్స్ పెట్టుకోవడం కూడా వన్ ఆఫ్ ద రీజన్. ట్రావెలింగ్ ఆన్ ద ఫుట్ బోర్డ్స్. we have to walk at the pavements only. పేమెంట్ పైన ఉండే మనం నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాలి. We have to follow that. overcrowding and catching the running vehicles. Overcrowding, ఎక్కువ పీపుల్ ఒకటే బస్సులో ట్రావెల్ చేయడం కూడా రీజన్. ఓకే, క్యాచింగ్ ద వెహికల్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద రీజన్ టు గెట్ యాక్సిడెంట్స్. 20 minutes. Today's class is completed. Bye.